Top 10 amazing benefits of clove water and how to make it. Imagine sipping on a beverage that not only satisfies your thirst but also has some amazing health advantages. Such a beverage does exist and is known as clove water. This straightforward beverage has the ability to greatly enhance your overall health in a variety of ways, from better digestion to immune system support. One of the greatest refreshing beverages is clove water. Therefore, let's continue and have a closer look. The top 10 amazing benefits of clove. Without further delay, we'll also show you how to create water at home. Let's get started. Number 1. It helps boost your digestive health. Clove water contains a natural chemical called eugenol. This potent compound has restorative effects that can help soothe and relax the digestive tract. The eugenol in clove water encourages the development of several digestive enzymes when consumed. These enzymes are essential for the digestion of the food. By breaking down what we consume into smaller, easier-to-manage portions, your body will be able to extract and absorb nutrients from your food more effectively. Due to its carbonated qualities, clove water can also aid you with indigestion and other problems like gas and bloating. In addition to relieving these discomforts, it also helps you by removing surplus air that builds up in your digestive tract. Water with cloves in it is very beneficial. You have a wholesome bowel, improved digestion and avoidance of constipation. Please take a moment to hit the bell symbol and subscribe to the channel before we continue. If you find our videos helpful, consider supporting us by becoming a patron. Number 2. It supports your oral health. The ability of clove water's antimicrobial characteristics to combat bad bacteria is one of its many benefits. That can cause havoc in your mouth and is one of the common causes of tooth decay and poor breath. Additionally, clove water contains analgesic characteristics, which means it functions as a natural analgesic and can successfully lessen pain and discomfort related to dental issues. Rinsing your mouth with clove water can temporarily relieve toothaches and gum discomfort while also giving you a calming sensation that will help you feel more at ease. Number 3. It can enhance your immune function. Your immune system and the antimicrobial qualities of clove water collaborate to fight off dangerous bacteria and viruses, giving your body a better opportunity to fend off a variety of ailments and infections. Additionally, clove water is a great source of antioxidants, particularly eugenol. This substance supports your body's defenses against dangerous free radicals, which can impair our immune systems and put us at risk for illness. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory benefits of clove water are fantastic. A normal immunological reaction to injury or infection is inflammation, but chronic inflammation is different. Fortunately, certain compounds found in cloves can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the chance of developing a wide range of chronic diseases, including many different types of cancer. Number 4. It helps improve your respiratory health. Being a great source of anti-inflammatory substances, water helps lessen respiratory system inflammation, such as coughing, chest congestion, sinus inflammation, and breathing difficulties. Additionally, the antimicrobial qualities of clove water may lessen the possibility of getting respiratory tract infections. Clove water also acts as a natural expectorant, which can help thin mucus and make it easier to expel from the respiratory tract. If you consistently have extra mucus in your chest and throat, this can be especially helpful for you. Number 5. Clove water aids in better heart health. The incredible advantages of clove water also aid in heart health. The fundamental reason for this is that clove water aids in the dilatation, or widening, of blood vessels. This dilation enables an easier, smoother blood flow. Improved blood circulation not only improves general cardiovascular function but also helps give oxygen and nutrients to organs and tissues, making them function more effectively. This reduces the strain on your heart as it pumps blood throughout the body. Additionally, studies have connected clove water to actions that decrease cholesterol. Cloves help lower LDL cholesterol levels, which lowers the chance of arterial blockages and supports heart health. Lastly, some studies have linked clove water to improved heart health. High levels of low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol, can clog arteries, raising the risk of heart disease. Has demonstrated encouraging results in maintaining ideal blood pressure levels, preventing the heart from working harder than it needs to, and protecting against hypertension. Number 6. It can help you against headaches and migraines. Numerous factors, like overstressing oneself and consuming a lot of harmful foods and beverages, can cause headaches and migraines. These factors can cause the blood vessels in your head to inflame. The excruciating pain you experience during headaches or migraines may be brought on by this inflammation. However, as we just mentioned, eugenol and clove water can assist to maintain a smooth blood flow to your brain by causing your blood vessels to relax and reducing inflammation in them, providing much-needed relief from headaches or migraines. You can consider of it as a mild calming agent because it has a rejuvenating effect on your nerves after you drink it, which helps you stay calm and relaxed. Calms the storm inside your head. Number 7. It helps you manage weight. Increasing your metabolism is one method clove water aids with weight management. The process through which the body turns food into energy is referred to as metabolism. When metabolism is effective, it implies that your body can burn fat and calories more efficiently. Therefore, if you regularly consume clove water, it can assist you in losing additional body fat swiftly and successfully. A quick metabolism also improves your body's capacity to store fat by allowing your body to absorb nutrients from food more quickly. Therefore, as long as you are consuming enough calories, clove water can help you lose weight even if your body mass index is lower than average. Additionally, clove can assist in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, so you're less likely to get diabetes while your blood sugar levels are constant. To suffer erratic energy ups and downs. It can also enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for overall health and weight control. This can make you feel more energized and satiated without the need for high-calorie foods or harmful snacks. The ability of clove water to reduce appetite is yet another great benefit. Hunger can frequently result in overeating or making poor food decisions. Therefore, drinking clove water before meals every day will help you feel satisfied for longer periods of time, which can help you eat fewer calories overall and benefit the most from your weight loss efforts. Number 8. It helps relieve muscle and joint pain. Clove water, fortunately, provides a straightforward and practical option that can assist you in avoiding these symptoms. Muscle and joint pain are frequently fairly uncomfortable and can limit your daily activities. The natural pain reliever eugenol, which is included in clove water, helps lessen pain sensations in the muscles and joints. This is primarily because uncomfortable clothing interacts with brain receptors that generate pain. However, you should see a health professional if you are currently taking painkillers before drinking clove water every day. This is partly because clove's qualities can also conflict with the effects of any medications you may be on. Number 9. It can enhance your skin health. Your body can fight against infection-causing bacteria with the aid of clove water's antibacterial capabilities. Amazingly, clove water also functions as a natural astringent, helping to tighten your skin and lessen excess oiliness. These are the usual causes of acne and pimples. The use of clove water as part of a skincare regimen can help you attain smoother, more vibrant, and more beautiful skin, which is fantastic news for many women who struggle with oily skin wrinkles or enlarged skin pores. Number 10. It helps your mental health. The antioxidants in clove water help reduce oxidative stress in your body, including your brain. Oxidative stress is a major risk factor for age-related neurodegenerative diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Even better, clove's sealing properties can even help reduce age-related damage to the nerve cells, lowering your risk of developing these age-related diseases. Finally, clove's soothing and relaxing effects help you feel more at ease. Let's now look at how to prepare clove water. All you need to do is drop 3 to 4 cloves into a cup of simmering water. Allow the mixture to steam for a few minutes so that the chemicals from the cloves can permeate the water. After that, remove the cloves and sip the water. The weather is still warm. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.